welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is cotton sponge cake recipe. It's very easy, melt in a mouth recipe, very soft and spongy. So let's get started. Here I have taken cream cheese, 12 ounce, half cup of milk and 3 tablespoons of butter. Cook till the cheese melts completely. The cheese is melted. Now cool this mixture for 5 minutes. Taken 2 bowls. Separate the egg yolks and the whites separately. I have taken 7 eggs. Now add the cream cheese mixture to the egg yolks and mix it well. To this add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix it properly with the help of the whisk. Beat the egg whites till it forms peaks. And this is the correct consistency. Now add 1 cup of sugar and mix it up again. Again you can use the beater to mix it up properly. Now take another bowl, take half cup of flour, quarter cup cornflour and add the egg mixture, egg and cream cheese mixture and mix it properly. After whisking, now add 1 teaspoon of vinegar and mix it up. Add the egg whites and incorporate into the egg yolks. Do not use the beater. Just mix it up with a loose hand, otherwise it will become watery. Grease the tin with oil generously and put the parchment paper on the bottom and also on the side. The parchment paper should be at a height. The cake will rise, so you have to keep the parchment paper a bit higher. Tap it for the even setting of the batter. Place the tin over the baking tray and add the hot water so that it doesn't get the direct heat. Baking part is a little longer. Keep it at 150 degrees for half an hour. Then after half an hour, lower the temperature for 120 degrees and bake it for 1 hour. Once it gets baked, cool down completely before removing the parchment paper. This with the icing sugar. This is optional. It's delicious cake, worth trying. It just melts in the mouth, very cottony, soft texture. Do try and give me the feedback. Do like, share and follow my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.